Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Magnified Motorola. नाम ही काफी है. Motorola जो है ना एक बहुत ही आइकॉनिक नाम है. They were the first company in the world जिन्होंने डेमो किया एक हैंड हेल्ड मोबाइल फोन. कब? 1973 में, यानी कि ऑलमोस्ट 50 साल पहले. ये सबसे पहली कंपनी थी टू एक्चुअली मेक अ कमर्शियल मोबाइल फोन. मोटरोला का डायनाटेक 8000X in 1983. इट वेड ऑलमोस्ट 1 किलो, 13 इंच बड़ा था, सिर्फ 30 नंबर स्टोर कर सकता था, 10 घंटे लगते थे उसको रिचार्ज करने में, और कॉस्ट क्या थी? तकरीबन $4000, यानी कि अराउंड 3 लाख रुपए का वो फोन था. नाउ दैट फैक्ट मेक्स दिस फोन वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आई नो कि जो मोटरोला का नया रेजर फोन आया था उसने बहुत लाइमलाइट ली इन 2019, 2020, बट यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड टू नो कि ये जो है मोटरोला का पहला अटेम्प्ट एट अ फ्लैगशिप फोन इन ऑलमोस्ट 4 years. जी हाँ, 4 साल के बाद मोटरोला ने एक सुपर फ्लैगशिप फोन निकाला है. लेट्स से हेलो टू मोटो, the Motorola Edge Plus. We've all been waiting for this one. बहुत टाइम से, long wait. बहुत rumors थे इसके बारे. Finally the phone is with me. Motorola कहता है ये है no compromise flagship, the fastest, loudest, boldest smartphone. That's absolutely everything the consumer wants. क्या ये सच है? Time to find out. अब ये जो रिव्यू है ना, इसमें हम लोग बहुत कुछ कवर करने वाले हैं. वी विल अनबॉक्स दिस मोटरोला एज, वी विल रिव्यू इट, फिर हम लोग इसको कंपेयर करेंगे टू एन अल्ट्रा सुपर ड्यूपर फ्लैगशिप फोन ऑफ दिस ईयर, द सैमसंग S20 अल्ट्रा, क्योंकि वही एक फोन है दैट एक्चुअली कैन कम्पीट विद दिस वन. साथ में कंपेयर करेंगे विद मे बी द Mi 10 ऑल्सो, क्योंकि दैट कुड बी अ फोन यू कुड बाय इंस्टेड ऑफ द मोटो एज इफ यू वांटेड टू सेव मनी. इज दैट द राइट थिंग टू डू? सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. तो पहले तो इसको क्विकली अनबॉक्स कर लेते हैं. ब्रांड न्यू फोन आया है मेरे पास. लेट्स गेट दिस ओपन. इनफैक्ट जो डब्बा है फ्रॉम आउटसाइड इट इज वेरी वेरी क्लासी. एक मैट ब्लैक लुक दिया है उन्होंने, उसमें सिल्वर में M मोटरोला का उन्होंने लोगो दिया है, एंड देन एज प्लस. ओपन इट. द इनसाइड actually has a cover. So ये काफी यूनिक चीज है. For an absolute flagship phone they've actually given a cover inside. Of course it says Motorola Edge Read Me. मेरे को पता है आप लोग नहीं रीड करने वाले. Then of course some guarantee warranty information, ejector tool, and then they've given you a cover. So absolutely clear. अंदर पैटर्न है इसके, बाहर बिल्कुल क्लियर है. So this is a pretty high quality cover. But now let's get down to the phone. और क्या क्या है डब्बे में वो मैं आपको दिखा ही रहा हूं. It comes with headphones. Why? I'll tell you why when we come to it. Let's open out the phone. देखिए, we've already covered the Razr. वो जो है ना cutting edge design था, ये है cutting edge performance phone. I mean in terms of everything else. इसका design element also is absolutely stunning in everywhere. इसका है एक curved edge display that actually moves to both sides. 6.7-inch OLED screen actually melts into both the sides. Almost 90-degree angle है इसमें. Very different from normal curved edge. जो मैं पकड़ रहा हूँ ना, I can feel it's totally different. कई brands have slowly been trying to shy away from curved edges, लेकिन Motorola ने deep dive मारा है and they've taken that technology to a whole different level. In fact, जो फोन का जो size है ना, it's a huge screen. but ये जो curves हैं, roundness हैं, जो feel है, makes it feel just right. Adding function to this form, Motorola has added various user interface features to the Edge. These include pulling notifications by swiping down the Edge, swiping down twice to get to settings, swiping up to see recent apps, swiping up twice to open the app tray. There's also a very nifty shortcut tray that you can access by swiping inwards. But my favorite feature has to be the many light effects that you get with the Edge. These include lighting up on receiving a call or a message, which you can see even across the room. And the Edge lights up when you actually put your phone on charging, also indicating how much your phone is charged. And triggers that you can actually customize and use in your gaming. All of these are very, very nifty. And once you build on them in your phone usage patterns, you will find yourself using them a lot. Gradually जो है ना, जो Motorola देता है इनके Moto Actions जैसे हैं, they actually do a very good job with what they add on. Screen is full FHD plus and most importantly, like I said, OLED. 90 Hz refresh rate, bright and happy screen है इसकी, very tall, which makes gripping it with one hand very easy. What you really like about this is the immersiveness because it reaches very close to the two edges and on the other two edges it goes beyond. अब देखिए ये दोनों edges बिल्कुल side पे जा रहे हैं. Now another thing that Motorola really went after was sound. और sound हम लोग भूल जाते हैं when we are actually talking about a phone. Let me take a minute to appreciate the dual speaker setup. The bottom speaker is dedicated to firing out very loud. Top earpiece helps as well and it does get pretty loud. In fact, powerful, very powerful stereo sound. और जो audio tuning है वो technology है from Waves. They've actually won a technical Grammy award for the kind of audio tuning that they do. Now while we're at the top earpiece speaker, आप देख रहे हैं उसके साथ क्या है? Yes, that's a 3.5 mm headphone jack in a flagship phone. Wow, this is incredible. A really, really welcome feature in a flagship. पता नहीं Motorola को एक headphone jack मिला भी कहाँ से, आजकल तो मिलता ही नहीं, right? अब चलते हैं towards performance.
Now this is a serious rocket, Snapdragon 865 with proper support for 5G, which means it's completely future-proof. There's 12 GB of DDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.0 storage. It runs the heaviest of games with comfort. In fact, those edge triggers actually help in many games.
Minimal heating है इसमें because of the way that they've actually been able to get the cooling और ये जो current heat wave conditions हैं, keeping a phone this huge, this powerful is a huge task and the Edge Plus does it very well. What helps with this performance are two key factors. एक तो है software. देखिए, Motorola कभी भी mess around नहीं करता with Android. It gives you near Android absolutely. Clean Android, absolutely no bloatware. अपने कुछ splashes of their own flavor on top जरूर डालता है. The rest is more or less pure Android. Case in point, Moto Actions. They really work very, very well. The second very important co-factor to this is the battery. इसमें है 5000 mAh की battery and remember it's not just a number. Even when you throw out heavy usage on it, इसमें आपको ऑन टाइम यानी कि अगर आप कोई गेम भी खेल रहे हैं, मूवी भी देख रहे हैं, 8 घंटे स्क्रीन ऑन टाइम मिलेगा, विच मीन्स इट विल इजीली लास्ट यू अ डे एंड अ हाफ एंड अ यूजर एक्सपीरियंस दैट विल नाउ कीप यू गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन. इसमें 18 वॉट का टर्बो पावर चार्जर भी है एंड एज एन एडेड बोनस उसमें 15 वॉट की वायरलेस चार्जिंग भी है. प्लस यू कैन चार्ज अदर डिवाइसेस बाय पुशिंग बैक. वायरलेस पावर शेयरिंग भी है इसमें. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस, द कैमरा. I've always been saying, Motorola के जो कैमरा के जो efforts हैं, जो optics में वो effort डालते हैं, they are always very cutting edge. And with the Edge Plus, Moto seems to have pulled out all its optical magic. Let's take a look at the main one, for example. इसका जो sensor है, now a lot of flagships have started embracing 108 megapixel with a 1 by 1.33 inch size. That means you get absolutely fantastic photos, but even better binned photos. Seriously, इसका जो quad pixel technology, bins photos technology जो है इसमें, it gives you very sharp results and I found the photos to be very, very nice. Colors are on point. Dynamic range is very good. Maybe sometimes HDR needed to be a little bit more aggressive, लेकिन Motorola जो है, it keeps improving things with very timely updates. Updates बहुत जल्दी आते हैं Motorola के, so that also will become perfect. Now it shoots 6K video as well, good for now and great for the future. Ultra wide camera है, very helpful. Barrel distortion almost zero है. Does a good job with details, very good job with sharpness, and since it can focus pretty much on anything very near, it takes macro shots very well also. लेकिन इसमें the really good part is the telephoto sensor and a time of flight sensor as well. So you can see optics पूरी तरह भर दिए इन्होंने. Pretty much top of the line in terms of telephoto cameras. और time of flight sensor जो है leads to very good portrait images. Background separation जो है is very, very good. Now, the front camera lives in a very small little punch hole in the front screen. लेकिन है ये 25 megapixel and pulls off great selfies and is excellent for video conferences जो कि आजकल हम लोग कर ही रहे हैं. Video conferencing के लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. So, great phone. लेकिन ये जो current scenario है, where does the Motorola Edge Plus stand? देखिए, at 74,000 rupees, this is significantly cheaper than its direct competition. और इसका main competition एक ही है, Samsung का S20 Ultra. The Samsung super flagship is more than 22,000 rupees more expensive. I'd say the only functional thing you lose out on with the Edge Plus is the screen resolution. वो थोड़ी सी कम है and refresh rate. लेकिन For that, you've actually got to take a look at the fact that S20 Ultra की actually resolution जो है, right now you have to bring it very low, 60 Hz पे आपको चलाना पड़ता है. So the Edge Plus wins this also, and it gives much better battery life too. Edge Plus also has a higher screen to body ratio of 93%. आप देख रहे हैं जो है versus 89.9% on the Samsung. Edge Plus also has 90-degree curved screen, endless edge display hai with this unique edge lighting. And if you really look at everything else, I'd say the Edge Plus wins. It's a much more balanced design than the S20 Ultra. In fact, Edge Plus is a stunning looking phone, 5G ready. The India version of the S20 Ultra is not. The Edge Plus has faster data speeds than any phone on the planet. And then the big one, the Snapdragon 865 in the Moto Edge Plus is better than the Exynos 990 on the S20 Ultra.
Edge Plus has 256GB UFS 3.0 onboard storage. That's double of the competition.
So, fantastic camera with a bigger ultra-wide and macro camera, dual optical image stabilization and advanced video stabilization also. Add to that a cleaner software and interface and a headphone jack. Now, the list is much longer, but just reminding you that the price difference is about 20 to 22,000 rupees more for the Samsung S20 Ultra. So the Moto Edge has almost everything going for it when you compare it with phones that are 20,000 rupees more. What about the new breed of phones that are cheaper but still come with major specs? So let's say you plan to get the Xiaomi Mi 10 over it to save some money. To start with, the Edge Plus offers much better brand value. Motorola है of course. दूसरी बात है much better design है इसमें, much better looks हैं, much better software experience. Imagine आप इतने पैसे खर्चेंगे, 50,000 रुपए खर्चेंगे on a Mi 10 और फिर भी आप bombard होंगे with ads and stuff like that all the time. क्या फायदा? इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. फिर Moto Edge Plus में है 12GB RAM versus just 8 on the Mi 10. Much better overall camera performance. Edge Plus में 8 मेगापिक्सल की टेलीफोटो कैमरा है और टेलीफोटो लेंस तो है ही नहीं Mi 10 में, और ड्यूल ऑप्टिकल इमेज स्टेबलाइजेशन है इस फोन में on both the main and the telephoto camera, and a much better 25 megapixel selfie camera with night vision in the front. Edge Plus में एक और चीज है, much larger battery life that gives you longer battery life and better longevity. जो device है that will last you longer. It's got the Motorola build. So what's the final verdict? मैंने शुरू में कहा Moto Edge Plus is a rocket of a phone with top of the line features हर department में. I'm thrilled कि finally जो top of the line competition flagship market है वहाँ पे इतनी solid competition आई है. I'm also thrilled my headphone has finally found a jack. Now let's have a healthy discussion on what you think of the Edge Plus. What will it do to the competition? Remember, I keep visiting the comment section all the time. I will reply to you. So stay subscribed to Tech Magnified for more content. Remember, all the best stuff comes here first. Stay safe. I'll see you soon.